This futures live stream event is proudly brought to you by MightyOxTrading. All information contained herein should be considered for educational and entertainment purposes only. Nothing seen or heard should be considered financial advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Tuesday. Welcome. I said that welcome already. Happy Tuesday. Hope everyone had a great night, ready for a great day. Hey, I forgot my Zoom script. Anywho, no one here it yet anyway, so that's fine. So let's take a look at the markets overnight. So let's see. We've been coming down after that big rise yesterday. It's given most of it back. Did try and pop back up in Europe, but 52.19 was our high on ES. Low last hourly candle 51.89, so about 40 points in range. NQ 252 was the high. Looks like the low 104, so about 148 points in range. Copper falling hard after a few good days. Looks like about 140 ticks. Gold mid range, it's about a 16-point range. Alter bond tight, only have half a point range there. Crude oil, oh chave. It looks like a pretty tight range too. Only about 40 ticks. Is that right? That's right. Wow. Tight range on crude. Natural gas all wonky as well. Bitcoin, big crash, down to 63. That's where we sit standing, whatever body posture you're choosing to take this morning. Time to rock and rumble. So trading blue sky right now, both the competition account and the evaluation with the Tradovate copy trader, Tradovate copy trader. So we will see how that goes. One contract on the eval, 5 on the competition account. News this morning. Start spreading the news. U.S. at 8:30. U.S. housing starts. Not sure when it's starting, but it's starting. Canadian CPI. U.S. building permits. Blah blah blah. And that's it for the week. I mean, that's it for the day, not for the week. So some bond auctions, I guess, later on in the morning. Tomorrow, of course, FOMC. Doesn't look like there's any news in the morning tomorrow, so could be choppy. Nice little pop up there. Have not gotten my funded account credentials yet from Topstep. We're waiting on those. Pulls right back. ATR sitting at about 5. Let's see ATR on the 1. About 6. Pushing down. Slowly. Very slowly. Choppy rear around the 20. That's why I didn't take that blue candle. It was technically above the signal line, but we'll wait. Not get caught and chop. My mama told me we're gonna chop around. Attention, choppers. I need to change that blue sky banner up there. It's 50% off all count sizes, except for the static growth plus. I'll do that after stream today. I'm not gonna try and do it during the stream. Morning, CBR. How you doing? Hey, JC. Yeah, thanks, David. Uh, I gotta manually input this stuff in the Nightbot, so it can't like. I would have to input everything. How you doing, JC? Yep, past Topstep, just waiting on the funded credentials. CVR, I'm not sure if you're still paying attention to the competition, but that number one guy took a $27,000 loss yesterday. Yeah, I'm not sure. Let me know what you mean, David, and I'll try and see what I can do. I haven't gotten my Top Step credentials yet, JC. Yeah, I can try to do that. Oops. At some point, my goal is to do a daily review video as well, like not some review daily. What I did each day. Now I was told that because I didn't I got the email and about passing and paying the fee that came in about 7 o'clock last night, and I was told they usually don't get around to actually issuing creds until about mid morning. Yeah, I know some people don't get them until the second day sometimes. So I keep seeing that they're behind on things. I mean, I guess that's a sign of their success. Hey, Chris, how are you this morning? Ah, shit, that's right. So what I'm trading right now is I have on the copy trader on Tradovate, and I'm trading both the Blue Sky competition and their Eval at the same time. I owe it to Blue Sky to try and get to try and get that Eval passed if I can, because they've supported me well. Josh is a good guy, but I forgot you can't. The big issue with Tradeovate's trade copier is you can't have bracket orders on. So I tried to take this blue candle here, and it yelled at me because I had bracket orders on, so I missed the trade. As you can see, it would have been a good trade too. Yeah, I have the Blue Sky eval, and I have a funded futures network eval that I'm also going to try and pass. I got a Bulenox as well, but I may YOLO that tomorrow on FOMC, and if it blows, it blows. I don't really have until I get really good and get the start using the Quant Tower funded futures network Fundex copy trader, where I can copy multiple rhythmic accounts. I just don't have the time to trade like 5 different accounts. We're not logged in again? There we go. Yeah, I'm talking about though, because Quant Tower has the ability to copy trade multiple rhythmics, but you got to pay extra for it. Looks like that's gonna bite me right away. Yeah, I just want to make sure I'm before I start paying anything extra for anything. Make sure I'm ha, have a reason to put it that way. Yeah, and that'll be awesome. I mean, right now stopped out on all but one contract there. That was interesting. You like Sierra, JC? I heard it's a great platform, but has a steep learning curve. See, I mean, for me, the platform really doesn't matter. Look at this. So it's going to stop me out with all but one contract. And now look at this going. Fortunately, it did stop me out on the Eval account. The Eval and 4 of the contracts on. Yeah, I mean, I do all my charting here on TradingView, so the platform for me, it's just that, oh, now I got stopped. I moved my stop up. But the platform is just for me to execute the trades on. Yeah, I'm using a 30-second now. Spent a lot of time over the weekend checking out the 30-second, and I really liked it how it sets up. Right now we're in chop though, and unfortunately I got chopped there, but it's okay. And sitting at 18,109, we have news coming up in 10 minutes. 10 minutes, folks. Hey, JJR, how you doing? Yes, 30-second chart. I like it. I like it. I love it. I want some more. Oh, sorry. Well, my average trade is under a minute, so that's nice. A nice pullback. Could have got 5 there. I don't know why I didn't take that purple candle. Sometimes I just stare at a trade and don't take it. Yeah, over an 8-hour period, gives the 30-second chart gives me about 160 to 170 entries. That's awesome, JJR. Wonderful. Wow, so far everything I'm doing is not going well today. What the? A lot of slippage on that one. Well, only 3 ticks, I guess. Not a lot. Is that your first payout, JJR, or have you had others? Nice. There we go. Drop like it's hot. I didn't say come back up like it's not hot. Come on. Drop, baby, drop. There we go. Come on. There we go. There we go. That's what we're talking about. I'll take that. So that was a boom, 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 boom. That was a 5-point trade. I took it off at 5 points. Our ATR was only 4, less than 5, so decided not to be greedy. It's still going down. I got it. Oh, ouch, that hurts. I got out at 93. Looks wait. I got out at 93, so it went down another 5 points, but that's okay. I'll stack those up 5-point wins all day long if it gives it to me. Little bounce there. Nice. That's pretty consistent, JJR. Same amount each time. Trying to continue to push down here at 18,085. We are low day. We are a low day. Low day on ES, NQ, and just about on the Dow. $18,084. Morning, John. Algo needs some coaching. John, did you see Blake Snell finally signed? One win, one loss so far, John. I mean, yes and no. I tend to agree, John, but in the same token, I mean, he has an opt out after this year, so he can try it again. And the other guy is an opt out too. San Francisco's a pitcher's park, so I bet you Snell's back on the market next year. Got down now to 77. Ooh, there's the Canadian CPI. What are Canadians doing there, John? You're moving the market. Popped up 9. Let's see. Canadian CPI 2.8. They expected 3.1. So your CPI is coming in cool there, John. Month over month, only 0.3. They expected 0.6. Nice job, John. I'll give you the credit for that, bringing your inflation down. Housing starts looking good. We're long off that blue candle. Continues to give us some momentum up. There we go. Yeah. There we were going. Now it's being all. There we go. Struggling there, so we'll take it off. Every time I take it off is when it bursts up. $600 trade there. So we got 6 points. Could have got more. Every time it hesitates, I just gotta. So look at that. Look at that blow up after I take it off. What's interesting, John, is U.S. CPI came in a bit hot, and your guys just came in like really cool. Frustrated that I took that off there and it just blew up. I didn't have a profit target on it. I just was gonna let it go, and I didn't let it go. That's okay. Pulling back now. Good morning, Speed Racer. How you doing? Let's see here. Still pushing up. So I got to start looking at my indicators instead of just jumping out at a whim. It's what hey, Borneo? Yes, I did. Or are you saying you did as well? I did yesterday, yes. Hold on, getting a blue candle here. We're long. Eh, Struggling to get through the high here. Ouch. Yeah, Borneo. That's gonna come down and bite me. Maybe. Come on, bounce on that EMA. Nope. Yeah, stop me out. So a quick burst and back down. But anyway, looking at my here, so I don't believe. What do you mean for FOC for rebuild? I don't know what you mean, Borneo. So looking at my indicator here, RSI, this RSI. Now I don't believe in the old overbought, oversold thing with RSI, but I have noticed if the RSI line gets way extended from the signal line, like by 30 points or more, then that's the time that it's going to reverse. I've been noticing that. And this was almost 40 points right here. Now, this here wasn't. This would have been a great, following this, I could have been a great indicator to get out there instead of getting out down here. And of course, now this blue candle's going. Excuse me. My rebill's at 450, if that's what you're asking. Still struggling to get through this. It looks like a 115 level. Kind of topped out there twice. 114, 115, 115. Yeah, mine are 450 for life until I pass or cancel it. I actually activated another one, the 450s, because I'm going to copy trade with the funded account. I'm going to copy trade an evaluation as well once I get my funded credentials. Oh, CBR, are you still here? I just wanted to let you know your mug that you ordered has moved from your status has moved to in production. So hopefully that'll be getting out to you soon. My MightyOxTrading hat should be arriving today. Speed Racer, I forgot to thank you for your order, but thank you for your order. Yours still shows order placed, so they haven't started producing it yet, but it should be soon. Coming back down. Back down to 104. So got up to 119 there, which is nice little rebound, but we'll see where it goes from here. Didn't really give me a signal for this down move. I mean, I know it's getting green here, green, but no progress on it. Remember, folks, that you too can be the hippest traders on the block with MightyOxTrading merchandise, shirts and mugs and travel mugs and mouse pads, stickers and magnets, hoodies and sweatshirts, toddler clothing, hat. Gonna actually work on getting the other store set up. It'll actually be cooler, but great stuff there. Sideways here at 109. Yes, sitting at 51.93. Dow, nice move up. Crude oil pulling back. Gold running since the news. You still tweaking the bot, CVR? Just notice this. Nico Trades Futures subscribed 41 minutes ago. If you're here, welcome to the stream. Welcome to the channel. Feel free to say hello. CBR, understandable. I mean, I know I get frustrated trying to figure those things out. But trading bots are a lot like trading. You got to continue to try and find the niche. That said, CBR, just like I tell John, you seem to trade better than the bot. Neither of our G's are here. No G-Man, no Mr. G. No Crypticon. Crypticon stopped in yesterday morning, said it was going to go take a nap and never came back. honestly, I spent a lot of time trying to get a bot to work for me, and honestly, I wish I just worked on my trading during that time. Back up, can I get back through this level? 19 was where it uh, paused before coming down. Pulls back a tad. And right back up. Oh, absolutely. I mean, it would be wonderful. I just don't know. It's just like there's so many variables. Like mine, you know, I'd love to be able to automate mine. And maybe it's possible, but like, back here, this right here, see how it could have gotten, a bot could have got in trouble there if it was taking them raw. Even if I use the signal line, you can see that this blue candle didn't work. That blue candle, yeah, it didn't work. Would have worked for a couple points. This purple candle dipped below the signal line, and so there have been like 3 trades there that wouldn't have worked. And I'm not sure you can teach your bot how to stay out of that chop. Whereas, I mean, I did get caught. I did. I mean, I did take a one loss there, but I didn't take 3 losses. Oh yeah, don't give up on it. Keep trying. So it's just not taken away from your normal trading. Hey, Rod, how you doing? How you feeling? Good. Glad to hear that. All right. Well, we'll try to distract you. Not sure how well it's going to work considering, we're trading, but ready to gore that like button. Let YouTube know you like the channel. Still struggling this area. You can see it's giving me two blue candles and neither one I've taken so far. If I was going for 3 point, this one's gonna go. That's a blue candle I should have taken. But hey, there's Crypticon. Hey, Crypt, how you doing? I don't think there's any more. Nah. No, no more news today. How's the trading going, Crypt, my friend? There was news at 7:30 your time, Crypt. Canadian CPI and U.S. housing starts. Yeah, it's cold here too. Happy first day of spring, Crypt. Yeah, up to 126. About 4 minutes till the top of the hour. As NQ continues to try to push up, trying to regain some of what it lost in Europe. We're continuing to rise up here. Nice little rise. And there's a pullback. I like it. If that stays purple, we're going to try short. Everybody got quiet all at once when Crypticon came in. Yep, purple went away. Purple's back, purple's here, purple's there. Three-point stop, small risk. See if it drops. Of course, I was late getting in again. And only by a few ticks. It's not dropping. Oh, drop like it's hot. Got the top of the hour coming up. We could see a bump. So I might just jump out right before. Or it's just going to stop me out first. We're out. Wasn't the best decision, but I'm on the competition account, so it doesn't really matter. And now it's going to come down, right? There's the top of the hour. Yep, there it goes. I was right, but just didn't give it enough space. Okay, I wasn't right. It's still coming. It's still easy for me to say. Still trying to push up. Morning, G-Man. How are you? Now we're falling. Ain't afraid of falling, but I can't get off the ground. Nice, G-Man. Ooh, popping back up. Well, back up to 134. So if we look at our hourly chart, you can see it's trying to dig itself out of the hole. Still a long way to go. 252 is our high. We're at 135. Gave almost everything back from yesterday. Just trying to fight its way back up now. Right now, the market direction is, right now it's up, or overnight it's been down, but right now it looks like we have a trend change to up. Ace and Audrey should be arriving soon. Oh, look. Oh, that's he does that to me all the time. How are you doing, Ace? Looking for a long in all the wrong places. It seems like a reboot yesterday fixed my internet issues. I still don't know what was going on there. We're just kind of hanging out here. 25 minutes till the bell. Pulling back. Still waiting on my Topstep credentials from my funded account. All right, good luck, Ace. May bounce on me here. Hi, RJ. There we go. My short's working. Boom. It was working. Now back to my entry. There we go. That quickly. Back to my entry. There we go. Boom. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We're out. Hit that EMA, so I got out. That was a 6.5 point trade. Figures. And there it goes. Continues to go, but I'll take that. Thank you, Ace. I must admit, that was hard because I got my short signal there just as you were going long, Ace, and RJ's like, looks good. And I'm like, I'm going against Ace and RJ on this. And it's like, good. And nice bounce real quick. Right back up. I should have taken that quick 5 points back up. I had it. Signals perfect. Perfect setup there. So for those of you that weren't on the evening stream last night or on the Discord, yesterday I passed the Topstep Eval, so I'm now a Topstep funded trader, or I will be as soon as I get the credentials. I'm just waiting on the credentials. Oh, good morning to Cryptocon's cat. I'm actually most proud of the stats on that Topstep passing. I don't even show them because I'm actually kind of happy with them. It took me 8 days. I'm not sure how well you can see that, but 8 days, 710 minus $5, 319, 984, 378, 512, minus 52, and 155 to finish it. So only 2 red days in the 8 days of trading, and the red days were really small, $52 and $5. So if I can keep that up, I'll be very happy. I'll be a very happy ox. So this is a beautiful bounce back up. Look at that. What's your cat's name, Crypticon? Thank you, Ace. Thank you, RJ. Yeah, I'm on a 30-second chart now. Nice to meet you, Shadow. Blue candle. Not holding. No more news today. No news tomorrow morning either than FOMC in the afternoon. I don't even know why FOMC. Oh yeah, the bond auctions. I always forget about them, but yeah, the bond auctions. I don't know why FOMC will be such a big deal. Everyone knows they're not going to change the rates. Ooh, there's a burst up. Wow. G-Man went boom. Comes right back down to 138. Yes, sitting at 5,200 even. And he's trying to give another blue candle here. The blue. That will take the long. I keep forgetting that I need to put in my own stop losses here. I'm late as usual. Well, maybe not. 141, three. Keep getting in 3 ticks. I don't know if it's slippage or if I'm just getting in late. Oop, that's gonna reject right down. So I get a trade, I win a trade, lose a trade, win a trade, lose a trade. That was a stupid risk. Actually, you know what? Yeah, it was a stupid risk because it was continuing to run into resistance there. The leader of the Blue Sky competition account took a $28,000 loss yesterday. Just sitting here, heading back up. So my long was right. It just decided to dip first. It dipped first. Dip, 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 dip. Less than 10 minutes till the bell. So easy for me to say, my mouth isn't working today. Where will we go at the open? Top of the morning to you, Tio. Bad news, Tio. The Giants signed Snell. And RJ, was the Blue Jays' big move of the offseason signing Joey Votto to a minor league contract? Oh, wow, that burst. Expecting G-Man to say boom again. Let's get ready to rumble in about 5 minutes. Yeah, I tend to agree with that, RJ. Though I never count the Rays out, the Rays find a way to be there all the time, even though their payroll's like $2. Uh, sorry, Crip, we must rumble. Coming down a few minutes before the bell. Bouncing off that EMA still. I don't know where we're going. I only know where we've been. Sitting at 147 as we head toward the bell, 3 minutes. Let's get ready to rumble. Ten seconds. Whoosh. Whoosh. 43 down to 30, but then bounced right off that 100 EMA. Boom, back up. We all over the place, folks. And looky there, I got my Topstep credentials. Yeah, G-Man, you confused me for a minute there. I didn't know why we were going to AA. Whooshing down, ES back down to 5,200. NQ down to 113. Nice there, G-Man. Whoa, big drop. Everybody's short. Wow. Still falling. Not afraid of falling, but I hate it on the ground. Yeah, ES is bouncing, and Q hasn't bounced yet. There's a bounce. Boom. Out. Look at that. Caught the bounce. 126, 116 up to 126. Could have stayed in, of course, but got 10 points. I read that bounce perfectly. I'm proud of that. Saw this green candle forming here, totally below the bands. I had red down here in the RSI, and my RSI was had a 35 point gap, 35, whatever you want to call that number, whatever it is, and that was perfect. That was like textbook. Thank you, Ace. The only thing that wasn't textbook is like holding the trade longer. Again, I could have got 20 points instead of 10, but Ace, if you wanted to trade my account, I would be totally fine with that. Now I just gotta figure out how to set up the copy trader. Ooh, another nice blue candle. Do I take it? Do I take it? Kind of gave. I should have taken it. Honestly, I would love to see Ace, RJ, G-Man, and a couple of others do an eval just to see how well you guys would do with it. So I didn't trust that blue candle because of the wick. It was 142 decked down to 136. I should have it. The wick was smaller than the body. But I was kind of doing two things at once there with checking to see whether or not my account was set up and all ready to go. And it is. Oh, I know, Ace. I just, I didn't mean it like that. So that purple candle back down, technically was a signal. I didn't like it. I mean, obviously. That was back in the day, though, right, RJ? It's like the rules are all so simple now. Like Topstep used to have like 10,000 rules, and now they're basically their only rule is don't hit the drawdown. That makes sense. Do you really love fly fishing? I've never heard you mention fly fishing before. I gotta get better at trusting these in-trend trades. You see here, this would have worked perfectly. Do you like keep the fish and then cook them up, or do you just throw them back? Market's dying here. Low of day was last hour at 18,077. It's now at 18,090. Yes, not dying as fast. And look at the Dow. Dow going the opposite direction. Now imagining Ace with a huge pool in his backyard full of fish he caught. So I gotta start taking these trades in trend. I continue to doubt them and they work so much. I will continue to get better. What, fishing? G-Man's loaded with dynamite today. He keeps going boom. Yeah, I've never been fishing or hiking or camping. Ace, get well soon. There you go, Ace. I can find my software. I'm not sure why there's a reel on the ground though. Popping back up. Nice job, G-Man. Why are you telling me to get well soon, Crypt? Is there something wrong with me that I don't know? Good. Oh, no, I'm better as in uh, just doing better in trading. There was 3 purple candles there. I didn't take any of them. I just got to take them. Hey, blue sky. Which blue sky guy is it? Hey, Josh, how you been? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Yes, I need to trade the purples. Bearish and golfing. Like, I got 4 here and I didn't trust any of them, and they all would have worked. Yep. Blue candle bounce up. And 96 is going the other way there, G-Man. I hate the Tradovate copier because it doesn't allow me to use brackets. Trading the Blue Sky competition account with my evaluation account, copy trading it. And that wasn't a good idea. Trading 5 contracts on the competition is not my normal strategy, of course. I don't normally trade more than 1. There we go. Come back up for me. There we go. Every time I say I'm just going to quit the competition, the top guy loses $30,000. Boom. Ah, wow, that was a quick boom and then bust, and then back to boom again. Ow. Well, that hurt. It's coming back up, maybe, hopefully, or not, or maybe. I used to think when I trading earned a trade back in the day that I was cursed with that account or that company. Now sometimes I think I'm cursed on Blue Sky. I need to remember to cross out that 25%, change it to 50% on that banner. Or Josh needs to make me a new banner. There we go. There we go. Taking it off the table there because, again, it's getting up to that same level. Not, of course, now it's going to go because I got out of there. But hey, I'll take a 4-point win there. $85 on the Eval account, and I don't know what's 85 times 5. 425 on the funded, not the funded, the competition account. That's what I'm trying to say. So we're up 178 now on the Eval, and we are up. Oops, we're up 742 on the competition account. How's everyone else doing today? I know G-Man's banked a ton of points. Tia, have you taken any trades today? What about Crypticon? Pulls back. So not till tomorrow, Josh. The curse won't be lifted till tomorrow. So should I just stop trading for today? Short side. Oh, sorry. Going long. I hate this. I don't. I went long there for the break back above where we went, where it paused, pulled back, and then went back up. See, there we go. There we go. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Boom, as the G-Man would say. Look at that, baby. Out. There we go. I love that trade. It took 9 points there. One candle pullback down, got back above. I got in a little bit late. It got up to 80, and I didn't get into 83, but there we go. It's still going. Again, I jump out too early, but that's a boom. We're now at 343 on the Blue Sky Eval. Maybe Josh needs to be here, and then he lifts the curse. Ooh. Give me a second, guys. My computer's running a little hot. I need to figure out what's going on with it. Maybe Josh left again. I was kidding about the curse. Didn't want to offend anybody. Close down some tabs here. So I got like 50 open. No, 60. Since Chrome is using 24% of my CPU and 10 gigabytes of RAM. So by the way, 343 now on the Blue Sky Eval, and on the competition we're up 1564. Nice pullback here. Blue candle bounce, possibly. Nope, nope, no blue candle there. Okay, I'm still trying to. I might need to kill Chrome here. I like seeing my computer cores going yellow. I can't kill Chrome. I gotta have a stream going, so we'll just watch it. Not sure why my computer's been running a little hot lately. There we go, rising up. Back above 18,100, or trying to stay there. Pulling back some. Big old purple candle. Coming to an upward trending band. So I got to get better at this a little bit. I said that earlier. So look at this. So we have green here. See how we came up? This, and I got this. This is the win I got. Got that first red candle in the green, and see how that pulled back? 94 down to 75. Came back up. Again, green here. And again, this candle is perfect. Even touched the band. 97 down to 79. popping back up with a blue candle, but we are below the signal line. Everyone got so quiet. Top of the hour in just a few seconds. It's kind of chopping a little bit. My mama told me we're gonna chop around. Ooh, nice little bump there up. Back up to that EMA. Long. Ooh, boom. Out. Pull back. So didn't get much out of that, but got something. Got 4 points. I'm happy with that. It's another $80 on the Eval. We're up to 417 there. And 80 times 4 is 400. No, 80 times 5 is 400. There we go. Oh, and I got out at the right time. Look at that pullback. Scalping all the way. Bells on bobtail ring. Average trade time. Oh, wow. My average trade time is actually up for the day. 1 minute and 20 seconds. That last one was 12 seconds. Coming back up again. Long. Boom. Not breaking, so I'm out. But again, there started breaking, but yeah, we didn't get much on that. We got 2 points. Actually, got 7 ticks. Could have got more, but I hesitated. The blue candle there that I did not take, I should have, but I didn't. You can see perfectness there, 10 points. Another blue candle. Keeps testing me on these trends. Long again, off that blue. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. I was late, as usual. G-Man's always early, I'm always late. It's not breaking, I'm out. Took a $10 loss. That's keeping your stop small. Has it reached the top for now? 126. See if it wants to pop down. There you go. That was 10 points. I got 10 points on the Bulenox account. I'm just everywhere today, aren't I? Struggling with that EMA at about 107. See if it gets through. Actually, it's Signal and the RSI line is about 30 points, 30 apart. Can't say points. I'm not sure what. And there's the bounce. Back down and through that EMA. Strong 10-point candle there. Trying to hold that EMA. Wasn't late for once, so this probably isn't going to work out. Beware of big candles. Shouldn't have taken that. Let's see if it bounces down for me. Nope. It's going to bounce up. Maybe not. Come on, back down. There we go. Boom. Ah, was a boom. There we go. Still a boom. Let's forget how jittery this thing is. That was only a $20 win. See, I wasn't watching that. I should have watched that. It was piercing that band and gotten out there. Maybe 5-point scalps are the way. Nice bounce. Ooh, very nice bounce. But I'm taking the trades. I mean, I'm not taking as many as I should, but I'm taking them. So that right there is a win in itself. Coming back down again. chopping on the EMA, so we are kind of chopping now, right around 100. ES is chopping right above 5,200. So we're at even numbers here. Ooh, there's a whoosh down to 91. Waiting to see where we want to go. Nice fall here. I did take this purple candle on the Bulenox account. It did work. Everyone got so quiet. Aaron, and I'm bleeding out. There's only 9 people here. Wow. So the more the channel grows, the less viewership I get. I'm not sure what's up with that. I think we're heading back down to the low of the day. 53 was the low. I don't remember getting it down there. It was happening last hour. So about 20 points away. Oh yeah, 96. You mentioned 96 earlier. Ooh, and again, it bounces on 96 on ES. There we go. And Q. Yep. Trying. There we go. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Out. $70 on the Eval, 350 on the competition. .67% win rate today. 10 wins, 5 losses. Average trade time 1 minute 9 seconds. And my average winner is bigger than my average loser, so that's perfect. Nice. Green is good unless it's mold. Although black mold's worse than green mold. Neither mold's good. Hey, it's got another win on Bulenox for 10 points. So I'm getting wins all around today. Bulenox is up 585. I think I don't want to start sounding too confident, but I'm just feeling really good right now. Still continuing back up. So Bulls did defend there, as RJ said. Back up to right around 18,100. ES back up to 5202. So as we sit right now, Bulenox is up 585. Blue Sky Eval up 509. And Blue Sky Competition account is up 2397. Big move back down. Down. Took a trade on my Bulenox account. Meant to take it on NQ, and I took it on MNQ. So it's up 40 bucks on one micro. I meant to do this on NQ, but that was a nice trade from 90. The trailing stop nailed it at 75. So a nice 15-point trade. So very nice 15-point short there off that purple candle. And here's that area that RJ said the Bulls need to defend, and the Bears have taken the ball. Let's see if it can break through this 70 area. ES bounces, got down to 96 again, I think. Maybe not. No, got down to, yeah, got down to 96 again. Again, couldn't get through 96. That's the fight area on ES, 96 and Q. A little bit of a battle. ES popped back up to 5,200, trying to get back through. It's a fight to the death between the Bulls and the Bears. I wonder who would really fight between a bull and a bear. I think the bull would. I don't know. Bears are probably more agile. It's a great question. Choppy. First time I get to use this graphic today. This is where I was talking about earlier that bots just wouldn't be able to figure out blue, purple, blue, purple, blue, purple, blue, purple, blue, purple, blue, purple, blue. Yeah, whatever. Oh, there we go. There's a pop back up. So far, Bulls have defended again. $106 was the high of this move up here that I'm running my cursor over. See if it can break through. Gotta get back through 100 first, obviously. Can't get to 106 without breaking 100. There I am giving out hard-hitting facts. Ooh, blue candle. We're long. Boom. Ah, giving it back. There we go. There we go. No, giving it back. Out. Small win there. Very small. 2 points. We're just adding on little amounts of money right now. The eval's up to 539. Again, if I had a 5 point target in there, I would have got it. Well, the problem is, Hassan, I'm using the Tradovate copier, and you can't put in brackets, so it's like I put in the stop first, and then I just try and play get out where I can, but rising back up. 106. I said that earlier, didn't I? Yeah, we got it to 106 here. We got it to 106 here. 108 here. 107 there. Big sneeze there that I quickly muted for. Having trouble breaking through this level. It poked through. Chop City, USA. Taking a trade on that new funded account yet, Ahmed? How did it go? Ah, you'll get it back. There's the break. 20 minutes to go in the stream. Been a great day. That's it. I have not yet taken a trade on the funded Topstep account yet. Now we're choppy at a higher level. Wow, look at the Dow just flying. So bulls definitely defended, RJ. It's just they continue to defend all day. Starting to lose some oomph here around 130. Pulls back a tad from 138 down to 125. Trying again. There it is, break of 140. Ah, nice, continuing to rise up. So when I said down earlier, and G-Man says nope, he was right. Credit where credit is due. So look way back here at the open. 30-second chart looks like a long time ago. We jumped up at the open to 152. That's where we're heading toward right now. Got up to 146, pulling back. About 10 minutes to go in the stream. Dream. Purple candle. Dropping. Bouncing. Grabbed another short in Bulenox there. We're up to 876 on that account today. A nice bounce. All right. Unsustained bounce. We're at 5. Let's see if it continues. Okay. Blue candle. Below the signal line though. Yeah, we've lost some room for our ATR's already down to 7. Oh, big boobs, big boofs. Yeah, easy for me to say. Big boom up to 138. Pulls back. Absolutely, RJ. I'm not gonna get any type of overconfidence. I'm not sure it's possible for me to get overconfident in anything, but absolutely. Thanks, RJ. See you tomorrow. At least you say goodbye, unlike Ace. Dow's still just heading up. So it pulls back here by about 13. Got down to 118 here. Can a break on through? Answer so far is no. Popping back up green. It's attempting to break. Purple candle. Purple candle in the wind. Ooh, not really a good break, but just trying to break. It's bouncing on that EMA. Okay, that's gonna call it a day. Great day here at Mighty Ox Trading. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day. We'll be back tomorrow, 8 a.m. Eastern time, for another great day of trading as we lead into FOMC in the afternoon. Stay green and have a great rest of your day, everyone. Bye. Enjoy today's live stream. Remember, we do this every day, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Hope you'll continue to join us.
Also want to invite you to join our Discord community. Great community of traders talking trading, and sometimes just shooting the breeze about other things as well. Traders helping traders and encouraging traders there. Also, of course, follow me on social media, mainly on Twitter or at X, where you'll always find updates on the latest prop firm discounts and reviews, as well as get notified whenever a new video comes out from MightyOxTrading. Have a great rest of your day,